Global warming, the depletion of the ocean, and the destruction of the rainforest are unquestionably three of the most important environmental issues of our time, which, if left unchecked, could have catastrophic consequences for our entire planet. However, we are by no means suggesting that the solution is to leave our cars in our garages, stop eating fish, and halt timber trade. Instead, we should support environmentally appropriate, socially beneficial, and economically viable management of the world's forests and oceans, while striving to use more and more green energy generated by wind, water, and the sun.